Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, today we are talking about all of my favorite drugstore beauty products. Today, I'm sharing with you all of my favorite drugstore makeup products. So, I'm so excited about this one. Okay, so first product that I'm going to show y'all, this one is my absolute favorite. It is a great, I feel like this one has been out for forever. Like, this is something that people used like in the 90s. But this one is the Lumi Glotion. So this one is so good. I like to put this on underneath my foundation, and it just gives you like this nice dewy iridescent-y look. You just look so beautiful whenever you use this. I think it comes in 2 shades. I think it comes in this pink one, and I think it comes in one that is like more of a goldeny tint, which next time I'm gonna try the goldeny tint one, and I'm so excited. But I don't have it on today. I just have on a ton of oils underneath my foundation. But this one is absolutely my go-to highlighter if you just want a dewy look and not like, you know, to be like shiny, shimmery. You don't want to be like in people's faces and be like, pow, like I have highlighter, look at me. It's not one of those types of highlighters. Now moving on to the next one, this one is the CoverGirl Advanced Radiance. This one's just a pressed powder, but I like to use it as a setting powder. I don't use the little puff thing that comes in it because I don't know, I don't really know how to use them properly, so I just use a big fluffy brush, and this is so good for setting powder. I don't like to buy expensive powders because I go through them so fast. I am also not a huge fan of loose powders, so that's why I like to pick up the CoverGirl pressed powders, because I think they're like $6, and this lasts me for probably 3 months. Okay, so my next favorite product, it is actually this Instant Age Rewinder Multi-Use Color Corrector. It's the concealer from Maybelline, and I like to get these so that way I can use them as my contour shades, because, well, I'm not the best at contouring with like cream stuff, so I just know that I'm not gonna buy the expensive palette because I don't use this every day. Most of the time I just use a bronzer and call it a day. That's why I like these little things. I feel like they last forever, especially if you're using them as contour shades, because, well, you don't have to use a whole ton of them, and a little bit of these goes a very long way. The next 2 products are by far one of my favorites because you cannot get a better deal than these, I swear. So these are actually the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and then I have the Wow Brow by e.l.f. also. So just the brow pencil in the gel. You go through brow pencils so dang fast, and this one is $3. So I don't understand why people go and buy the $18 like eyebrow pencils, because they last for literally a month and then you have to go buy another one. So I just buy the e.l.f. and then I usually just either get the clear brow gel or I get this tinted brow gel. Either one works best. Like, these things keep your brows in place, let me tell you. They like glue down. It's great. They will not move throughout the day. You don't have to worry about it. The next product is actually, I swear my dog ate the tube or was like chewing on it, but it's fine. So this one is actually the Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil, and this one is sweet almond oil. And I kid you not, it tastes just like birthday cake, and it is so freaking good. And it keeps your lips so hydrated. I always like to put this on like before I go to bed, and let me tell you, it's a 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend, but I really like all of Burt's Bees lip products anyways. So if you haven't tried this one out, I totally suggest you try it. It's so moisturizing, and you can use it as a lip gloss too, because it just leaves like that nice little sheen over the top of your lipstick, or just like over your lips in general. I love it. I could not rave more about this one, so definitely try this out. Now, the next product is my L'Oreal Voluminous Original. I swear everybody and their mom uses this mascara. I like to use this one in the like black brown shade because I like this for when I want more of a natural eyelash. Like I'm going more for like the natural makeup that day. If I'm gonna use actual mascara that's black, I usually use the Better Than Sex mascara, but this one is literally such a dupe. This has been my favorite for probably years now. Like, it is so good. I go back to it every single time. You know how some mascaras just like transfer to your eyelid and it just starts looking crappy. At the end of the day, it starts breaking down and falling like underneath your eyes. This one doesn't do that. So definitely give this one a try. And the next product that I like to use, this one, I swear, is a dupe for Shape Tape Concealer. Like $6 versus $23, I think. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and the creaminess and the blendability, every single thing about this is just like Shape Tape. It is creamy. This is the most high coverage concealer I have ever found from a drugstore. These next two things are for your eyes, and I love them. I love them so much for when you want just like a fun little shimmery, easy, natural like makeup eye look. And these are the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencils. They come, I swear, in like every single shade imaginable, and they have them in blues, browns, pinks, whites, all the things. I just have these two in the shade Iced Mocha and Yogurt, and the yogurt is just like a really nice like shimmery pink, and then the Iced Mocha is just a really nice shimmery brown. So like these are the two shades that I have. Last but not least, I know that not everybody is a blush person, but I am. So this one is actually the CoverGirl Classic Color Iced Plum Blush. And that is the one that I have on today. It's just a really nice pinky shade, and I feel like you can't get any better than this if you like blush. It's $4 for this huge palette, and I swear it goes for forever. I never run out of this. Never, never, ever, ever do I run out of this. So keep that in mind. If you like blush, definitely try these out. They're great for like travel. They come with a little mirror on the inside. It's just such a good time. So definitely try this out if you're looking for a new blush. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to push that subscribe button down below because it really supports me and my channel. Well, it's not really my channel, it's our channel. It's our channel. We're a family. Whatever you want to see, that is what I produce. So, with that being said, if you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell because we're growing, we're a fun family. So, don't forget to do that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye! Thought that you should know I'm already sold, so never let me go. You had me at a la 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 la.